People spend approximately 90% of their time indoors. Research has proven that there are many harmful substances in the indoor air of residences, schools, hospitals, and offices. These harmful substances are mainly present under the form of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and appear due to the emissions from wood, carpet, fabrics used for furniture or decoration, people's activities such as cooking, cleaning, ironing, heating. The combination of these sources can create a very high concentration of formaldehyde, exceeding what our health limits can tolerate. Symptoms can be burning and watering eyes, burning of the nose and throat, coughing, and difficulty in breathing. Guidelines indicate the maximum tolerance should be below 15 microgram per cubic meter. Even with a ventilation system installed, in line with the guidelines, it is still possible to have a room with a concentration around 30 microgram per cubic meter. This is why Saint-Gobain has developed a technology that removes formaldehyde permanently out of indoor air by transforming the product into an inert compound, active air. Only with a sufficient surface of active air installed in a room combined with a well-performing ventilation, one will achieve safe levels of formaldehyde in the indoor air. The effectiveness of the active air process has been proven by tests conducted in all kinds of circumstances. Tests performed in a small chamber on a real-life scale under laboratory conditions and in real life have proven that active air absorbs 70% of the concentration of formaldehyde. These results easily prove that active air can create a healthier indoor environment. Please contact us for more information.